This is the 3-way arm grip plus tripod. This one is the most flexible one. You can use it in all the conditions. So this one is selling for 6,000 rupees on Amazon, Flipkart and Paytm. So we'll unbox it quickly. So this is the 3-way arm grip. This is not as sturdy as the El Grande pole, but it seems more flexible. So we don't get the quick release clip-on with this. So we get the screw, and in order to attach our GoPro, we need to remove this quick release plate from GoPro first. So next what we need to do is put GoPro inside this screw and tighten the screw from this side. So this is the 3-way arm. There are 2 bends on this one. First one is here, second one is here, and on the third one we have mounted our GoPro. This 3-way arm seems a bit fumbly, but it can be used in many more situations than the El Grande pole. You can fold this one like that and it will become a selfie stick. It is very handy to hold and it feels sturdy in this position. In case you require to extend it, you can extend it like that. You can tighten the screws and it will become an extended selfie stick. Actually, I'm liking the El Grande pole more and more after using these knobs. Every time I have to use it, I can't just go on screw this. So there is a tripod in the bottom. All you need to do is screw this out. So there is a fully functional tripod in here. You can just put it back like this, screw it, and you can use this as a tripod. This one is much more handy than the El Grande pole. The size difference is quite significant. It is almost half the size of El Grande and it weighs quite less than the El Grande pole. The thing is, it can be kept in your pocket. You can just keep it in your jacket and you're ready to go. With this one, you need to have a bag. You can't just keep it in hand all the time. So that's all in this video. Hit the like button if you like the video and please support us by subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to press the bell button to get notifications. Bye bye.